Hello, and welcome back to this series of Midland College Library Help videos. Today we're covering checking out and using library kits or study aids. The Midland College Library offers a variety of hands-on kits to help you study difficult topics in interactive ways. You may use these kits only inside the library. That means they are reserve or in-house items. They may not leave the library. Our kits currently include bone boxes, which contain a predetermined assortment of replica human bones for aid in anatomy and physiology courses. Hermy muscle models, also for anatomy and physiology courses. Assorted human organ models for anatomy and physiology. Various rock boxes with selected geological samples for geology courses, and molecule model kits for creating and manipulating molecules in chemistry courses. To use any of the library's kits, please stop by the circulation desk just inside the front doors and ask for help checking out the kit of your choice. Our library staff will walk you through the process of signing out the kit for use inside the library. If you need more information, watch our other videos, stop by the library, or reach out through library chat on our webpage. Have a great day.